Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. Gemini, we have Ace of Suns, Prophetess of Moon, and Three of Sun. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you have someone really close to you, guys. You have a true and a honest friend, and this person is here to help you and guide you, and they are trustworthy and loyal, and you rely on this person. You have an open mind with them, so they know everything about you, and they are a very compassionate and a true friend. So in times of need, this person is here to guide you and help you. And today they may give you certain ideas, they may tell you certain things. Maybe it may be someone from your work situation, guys. So this person is a really helpful and a truthful person, and they are here to guide you in some ways, guys, support you and work with you. So it may be someone in your work, maybe your mentor or a colleague, and you find them as a good friend, and they are here to help you towards some new beginning in your work situation or in your life, maybe in your personal life. You may have friends you can tell everything to. So they are here to help you and guide you, guys. Maybe you are taking up something new, maybe a new venture in your work, new projects, or new deals, financial deals, whatever it is. Some kind of positive growth, something new is coming up, new beginning maybe in your life, and this person is helping you towards that, giving you ideas what you need to do in your work situation, guys, or maybe in your personal life. Maybe you are moving to a different place, starting a fresh life, maybe moving to a different city, and this friend or a colleague is helping you set up everything, maybe your residence, or find a new job, some kind of help, and something, it is some positive help. This person truly has positive intentions towards you, guys, and they are here to help you and guide you towards whatever plans or goals you have in your life, guys, Gemini. So you can trust this person. If you are thinking whether to trust them or not, someone coming out of the way maybe for some of you to help you. So that may be the situation in your relationship. Maybe you meet someone and this person is quite friendly, and you are maybe confused whether to trust them or not. But with these cards, I see that they have honest intentions towards you, and you can trust them, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. And also, Gemini, this person may be someone really friendly, and you can confide. Maybe if it is someone new, you can tell them everything. This person is a very friendly, trustworthy, and a loyal person. And maybe if you are in a new connection, if you have found someone new and you have just started this relationship with this person, and you have some kind of inhibition, holding back, you don't want to tell them anything, and let them know about you. But with these cards, I see that you need not be worried, guys. They are a very reliable person, and you can tell them whatever you want to tell them. And maybe for some of you, all these doubts and confusion, maybe you were confused with this person to trust at the first, what to say, you have known them only for a short time now, and maybe some confusion you had whether to trust them or not. That is what we were speaking about. You can trust them, guys, because this person is really a good friend, and whatever it is you feel, you can talk to them. That is what I feel, Gemini. So for your career circumstance, Gemini, we have Ace of Moons. So with this card, it just means that whatever you are planning and thinking, you are working towards, guys. You are going to see it come into reality. So some kind of positive news is what I see for you guys. And you are going to feel really happy because this good news is coming after a long time, maybe in your work, Gemini. So some offers or opportunities, and you may see you may have some kind of intuition pointing out that there is some good news coming your way, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card, in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment, and your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, you have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion, and you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some, it may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.